In this video, I would like to go over a major concept in the section 4.3 of our textbook, and that is that given a triangle that has an acute angle in the first quadrant, find the 6 trig functions. And so here are all 6 trig functions, sine, cosine, tangent, and the reciprocals on the right side. All right, so here's my triangle. It has an acute angle. Let's just assume once again that it's in the first quadrant. And so before we find these trig functions, we have to complete all the sides of the triangle. So the way to do that is, let's just put an x down there, and let's do Pythagorean theorem. Let's go a squared, or 1 squared, plus b squared, which is x squared, is equal to 3 squared. Okay? 1 plus x squared is equal to 9. X squared is equal to 8. And x is the square root of 8. We can simplify this a little bit more, but for the purposes of just finding these values, let's just leave it as the square root of 8. Okay, so let me now erase the x and replace it with the newly found side length of square root of 8. Okay, so now we are ready. Let's find cosine. Cosine of x, or theta, is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equal to radical 8, square root of 8, over 3. And its reciprocal secant should be 3 over the square root of 8, or 3 square root of 8 over 8. All right, moving on. Sine, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, is equal to 1 over 3, and its reciprocal cosecant is equal to 3 over 1. Finally, tangent, which is equal to opposite over adjacent, is equal to 1 over square root of 8, or square root of 8 over 8. And its reciprocal, cotangent, is equal to the square root of 8 over 1, or just square root of 8. And that's these are the 8 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's there's a few other problems in that section where they don't give you the triangle. Instead, they just give you the value of one of the trig functions already. Let me do that example. So let's say that they give you that. Actually, let me make it a little harder than sine. Let's say that they give you that secant. It has a value of 5 over 3. Okay? And they want you to find those 6 trig functions. Again, the value of them. All right, well, the way to do it is we don't have a right triangle, but I want you to start one. Okay? And this is secant. So in order to use SOHCAHTOA, we have to use the fact that secant has a reciprocal of cosine. The reciprocal of secant is cosine, and then so the value of cosine would be the reciprocal of 5 over 3, which is 3 over 5. And using the cosine, I'm going to label the triangle. If I put the angle right there, and then do exactly as I did in the previous example. So use Pythagorean theorem to find this missing side, and then we simply get the cosine, sine, tangent, using the same method as before, using the triangle. So cosine, for example, is 3 over 5. Sine is 4 over 5. Tangent is 4 over 3. And then you get the reciprocals. Secant, cosecant, cotangent. So just flip these over. And that is it.